Okay, students, grade 9 is my second video for the lessons called angles of a triangle. Today we will see remaining questions from your chapter 16. So I hope you already complete those who watched my previous video number 1. So I expect those completed these problems earlier before me. And you can check with me my solutions. For the newcomers, try to understand this way. So see your question number 2, the page 89 diagram, page 89 diagram. This part 2 book, local grade 9 maths. So here in the given figure, ABC angle, where ABC angle, this angle equals CBE. CBE, this angle. Okay, go to and see. See there, they mark that this angle equal to this angle, right? And also they said BC is 70 degrees. Okay, find the value of D, this angle, right? Find the value of DEF. Find the value of DEF angle. That's the method using this figure. Any other use here? Lines are parallel. Data given the arrow indicates 4. Lines are parallel. They say this 2, and if I mark this is X, then this also X. If I mark this is Y, question is find the Y value. So I hope you complete those viewed my already the previous video. By complete my explanation and my method, you can simply answer this chapter successfully. Okay, see the idea. Lines are parallel. Alternate angle. Here 70, here 70, here 70. Alternate Z shape. Alternate angle, right? Therefore, this is 70 degrees. If you draw a big diagram, you can mark no matter that. This calculation problem, that's the way of answering. They said data, this value same as this. Therefore, here also 70. Here also 70. Question is find this value. I marked as Y. There are so many methods. You know that in a triangle, 3 angle additions, 180 degrees. So 70, 70, 140. Therefore, here 40. So all 3 angles are completed. Here after go to your grade 8 maths, 2 lines cross, vertically opposite angles are equal. So the answer is what? 40 degrees. So straight you can't take 40. First you say this is 70, 1 marks, alternate angle. This equal to this, therefore you also 70, another marks. Then come to this triangle. All 380 until this is 40, another marks. Therefore this equal to this and marks. Lot of marks if you work properly, right? Okay, next see question number third problem there. Question number 3. Here Q, P, S, R. They mark this is 35 degrees. Go through and see, draw the diagram, mark the details. Here 55. Okay. In the triangle PQR, point S located on QR. QR mata S lakshya thiyena point X. And the important QPS angle. QPS, this angle equal to RPS. This angle. This angle. Okay, go through and see. These 2 angles are equal, right? QPS angle equal to RPS angle. Also they said here 35, they are 55, right? Therefore, the question is, there are two parts here, two problems. First part, find the value of QPR. Find the value of the QPR angle. Second part, find the value of PSR angle. Two questions away. All a calculation problem. There, if you draw a big diagram, you can mark on it. It becomes simple question. So see here. First, I try to find this angle QPR. QPR means biggest angle. QPR. Where PSR? PSR means this angle. That is later. Okay. See, I take a new color pen. I should mark this by what I am mentioning. I say this is X. Then what the other angle? Y or P, Q? No, that also X. Because two angles are equal. Two angles are, they said equal, right? First we'll find the X value and come to the other part. Take the big triangle, take the big triangle. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, now I am going to calculate the X value, right? You know, in a triangle, three angle addition 180 degrees. So here are 2x. That vertex angle is 2x. Plus here 35 degrees. Plus here 55 degrees. You see the biggest triangle, not the half triangle. Don't think separate. You think this, there's no line. You forgot that line. Imagine it. Big triangle. Find the X answer. So 2x plus 90, 55 and 35, 90 degrees equal to 180. Okay. So find the solving equation. I completed the chapter. Find the X value. 2x equal 180 minus 90. So 2x equal to 90. Therefore x equal what? 45 degrees. 90 divided by 2, x is 45. So this is 45, also 45. So your first part is over. Where QPR? QPR, big one. 90, right? QPR equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Without mentioning x also, you can complete the first answer 90 degrees if you use the largest triangle. Now come to the PSR. Where PSR? PSR, this angle they ask. Therefore we take one triangle enough. So I erase. You don't raise. You don't raise. I take that triangle and find. You know this angle, you know this angle, then find the third angle. So that answer in triangle PSR, in triangle PSR, this is not known. I write in 3 letters the name angle. That only you have to improve that also. What the name of this angle? PSR angle. PSR angle plus what? X, that's 45, right? 45. Next what? 55 is 180. Therefore, by adding these two angles, subtract the other side, you can find the second part answer, right? Therefore, PSR angle equal to what? 180. Subtract what? 85, 120. 85, 55, 560. Okay, 100. So no doubt if you work earlier, check your answer. If any error, correct it. 180 degrees is the question number 3 answer, right? Okay, then go to the question 4. It's very important chapter, not only for grade 9, 10, 11 and some other advanced mathematics also. You need this idea. Later in the future, you tell your brothers, sisters, the way of how to answer these kind of questions. Question 4. In the triangle XYZ, so I draw a triangle named let XYZ. X, Y, Z. Okay. And they say angle X plus angle Y 115 degrees. Actually here diagram not necessary. They say in this triangle angle X and angle Y addition එකතු කරාම 115යි. Therefore they ask the remaining angle. Find the Z value, they said later. Also another detail given, and Y plus Z, see Y plus Z equal 100 degrees. Then they ask complete the angles of the triangle. Simple question, right? That's a mental calculation, oral discussion. X plus Y 115. If two angle 115, what is the third angle? All three 180. Therefore third angle is Z equal to what? 180 minus 115, is it? If you know two angle, you can tell that that's a primary class grade 8 work or grade 7 method, that is. Okay. Z equal 65 degrees. Okay, Z equal 65 degrees. Also they mention another equation, Y plus Z is 100. So what the remaining letter X is what? In the triangle XYZ, Y plus Z is 100. Therefore what is the X answer? Subtract and tell. Therefore X equal what? 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. X equal 80 degrees. Okay, X equal 80 degrees. So find the remaining. Here you have the answer. Y and Z together 100. Y and Z 100. Otherwise X and Y 100. So what is answer? 115 means 25. Or 35. 35. So I hope you work this simple question, right? But very useful for the future your grade 9 type exams, term papers or provincial papers later. See question number 5. Question 5. The ratio of the magnitudes of the interior angle of a triangle 1:2:3, right? Find each angle separately and give the reason what type of triangle. And the important, useful for grade 9 question. Okay. See that triangle, I don't know the name, we write I say ABC, right? Triangle ABC. There are various methods. Yeah, how I am explaining this, we I draw a triangle ABC. They say the angle ratio 1:2:3. What do you mean? For example, this is 10 degrees, here 2 degrees, here 30 degrees, 20 degrees, here 30 degrees. This is for example 100 degree, here 200 degree, here 300 degree. If you learn the ratio problem from grade 6, here 10 kilo, here 2 kilo, here 30 kilo, here 100 meters, 200 meter, 300 meters, the ratio. But here also simplest form they shown 1, 2, 3. But you know angles cannot take more than that 180, no, impossible. So if I take this is 1x, this is 2x. This is 3x, right? That's the idea. So I say this is 1x, here 2x, here 3x. So I am roughly drawn. I don't know what type of triangle. I also like you. That means we don't know nothing. We are in zero level, and I am preparing from here with you. I am explaining this question. I came here without any knowledge, as you like. I also me also grade 9 student, and I am trying this problem with you together, right? Let's show this diagram. I don't know how type triangle is. Here 1x, 2x, 3x. So first you find the x value. All three addition 180, right? X plus 2x plus 3x. So total is 6x. 6x 180. Therefore x answer 180 divided by 6. What is that? 30 degrees. X equal 30. Okay. Now tell these three angles how. This is 30. This is double, twice. 60. Here thrice. 90. Therefore my diagram is wrong. That's not a matter for you get full marks. But shape is wrong, because now only I knew that 90 degrees here. Therefore now if I show the proper figure shape, that is how right angle triangle is it? C is 90 degree. That's the ask. What type of triangle is this? Right angle triangle, right? That's the question 5. So I hope you understood how I am showing this pattern. So after finishing this video, practice that, help your other friends to view this, and take opportunity of your full free videos I am distributing you through this YouTube platform. No any money making Zooms or any Google Classrooms. So full free video wherever you can view, you can send it to any of your brothers, sisters. Anytime you can view this, or take full opportunity for these long school vacations. So last question in this exercise. An interior angle of a triangle. So every question geometry I like to show diagram pattern. So draw a diagram. Okay. I mark this angle A, B, C. So what the information say? They said interior angle 75. What do you mean interior? Inside. Inside 75. I mark here 75. Okay. The ratio of the magnitude of the remaining two angles. මේ කෝණ දෙක අනුපාත විහිදංගල ඉද ரெண்டு கோணங்கள்ட விகிதங்கள். What the ratio? 1:2. So if I say 1x, here 2x. Okay. So find the remaining angle. So take all three, added to 180, find the answer. So x plus 2x plus 75 is 180. So take the 75 other side. 3x equal to 180 minus 75. 3x equal to 105. So what is 1x divided by 3? So all this problem, copy your notebook, your school notebook or any other, take a new notebook, whatever. Complete it properly, very useful lesson. Same as the school teacher will, if you successfully, everybody in you from one of your school complete this, you can tell your teacher, we learn already madam, therefore we go to a new chapter after school reopen, no matter, right, full free video, right? So, XC is a public video, not for the individual persons, right? X equal 35 degrees, is it? Yes. Therefore, this is 35. This is what? 70. 35 degrees. Double means 70 degrees, okay? So therefore, I complete such a question. There are big 6 problem. The previous video I complete month, here that's remaining I complete through this. So next, and the maximum 2 videos I can publish for this chapter. The short period we can't cover it, right? We have to work many problem. Mathematics means many questions we have to work. Then only you successfully you can pass to a grade 10. So grade 9 which become unfortunate year for you because of school long, nearly 3 months you are vacated. That means a long vacation. Therefore, the problem in your view, knowledge in mathematics like the same as other lessons, other subjects. Therefore, anyhow, next year become a full fresh. No matter such any virus or any, we pray for that. No matter about that. Therefore, to successfully complete this grade 9, you have good future in the other years. Therefore, take full opportunity by this teaching and forward these videos for any other colleague, friends. Also to ask to subscribe my video, right? We'll see next video some more attractive explanation of these problems.